Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you this GEC Toofan ceiling fan. This is a 1975's model as you can see, and this is repainted once in brown color as you can see, and this is 18+9 coil rewinded once, and it gives really nice airflow and the speed is also really good. So today I will show you a little servicing, means I will change the bearings only, and I will show you the construction of the fan. And some horrible sounds were coming from the blade screws, that's why I changed them. As you can see, now it's 100% silent. So means this is a review only, you can say. So as you can see, this is the fan label, GEC Toofan. As you can see, you can take a screenshot if you want. So now let's continue with the video. So as you can see, this is the false cover, and you can see the construction. So this lower cover looks like GEC Whisper, but it's quite different. And you can see the lower bearing cover, and you can see the blade fitment. It fits with the upper body, as you can see, but it's just reverse. This is not like the other fans. This is reverse, as you can see. And the lower cover is attached using some clip type mechanism, as you can see, means you can fix it using screws. So now let me show you the coil. So this is the 18+9 coil, as you can see, rewinded recently, as you can see, that's why new. So you can see the previous mechanic did some punching tricks on the shaft, both side. So this is a really bad trick. I hate this punching trick, but the coil is really thick. As you can see, the coil is good enough for the fan. So as you can see, this is a HCH6203 bearing, as you can see, but here is nowhere written 6203. So let me show you the bearing first. So as you can see, this is the bearing rubber sealed 6203 2RS, means 2 rubber seals. So as you can see, this is the bearing, quite good quality. Let me show you properly. So as you can see, this is the bearing. The bearing is quite tight because of the rubber seals, but after long usage it will free up. So let me show you. Let me open the bearing seal and show you what's inside. So this seal opens easily. As you can see, you can just feel the bearing with some grease, but I currently don't have grease, that's why I am leaving it as it is. So let me reapply the seal and let me use it in the fan. So let's continue installing the bearing in the fan. So I have successfully changed the lower bearing. As you can see, this is also HCH bearing 6201. The lower bearing is 6201 sized and the upper bearing is 6203 sized. As you can see, this is the HCH bearing which I showed you. So the fan is performing without any problems, and now it's really smoother than the previous. So now let me apply the bearing covers, and now let me install the fan properly. So finally the fan is installed. So now let me turn it on. So the torque is quite high, as you can see. The RPM is awesome and it is giving really nice airflow. This fan is performing so nice and so smooth, and the airflow is quite awesome. Means a 18+9 coil ceiling fan with a high amount of blade angle, means perfect combo, awesome airflow. Means this is an awesome vintage fan. Means I know there are so many vintage fans, but this is something different and something interesting. Means this is a double ball bearing fan and not a bush fan, that's why this is really good. So that's it. So now let me turn it off. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, then press the like button, share this video, comment any queries or doubts, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. So as always, thank you so much for watching guys. Goodbye, take care, see you in my next video.